Introducing Keychron K6 Pro, an inherited classic 65% wireless mechanical keyboard with an updated QMK function that will transform your typing experience to the next level. After all the optimization and upgrading on the K6 Pro, we will surely bring you the ultimate typing experience. K6 Pro features QMK and VIA key map configuration functions, so you can easily create macro keys and set up different key combinations. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.1, K6 Pro lets you connect with up to 3 devices wirelessly and switch between them simultaneously. You can also use the wired mode to get the ultimate gaming experience with a 1000 Hz polling rate. Installed with a pre-lubed Keychron K Pro switches, feels smoother and more stable. The double-shot PBT OSA keycaps offer a great touching feel and won't leave oil stains. Keychron designed the silicone pad, sound-absorbing foam, and screw-in stabilizers to give you an epic typing experience. K6 Pro also supports macOS function keys and also Windows layout. Ergonomic angle adjustment design, built-in RGB lighting effects, and the hot swappable function allow you to customize your typing style. Whether you are working, typing, or gaming, the K6 Pro offers the best experience, allowing you to customize the experience however you see fit.